Welcome back to the program. We continue with our series on insurance, having looked at home and funeral cover as some of the insurance options that exist here in Botswana with our guest from the insurance industry, Mosadinkwe Msinyi. Previously, we spoke about a funeral policy cover as an insurance cover that the principal member can add as many members as they wish, as long as they understand the more people added, the more their monetary contribution towards the cover is going to be. Tonight, we discuss motor vehicle insurance, which essentially is insurance cover for your car. This insurance will provide cover for your vehicle in the event that it is stolen, damaged by a fire, or any other accidental damage. To further discuss, we're still with insurance expert Mosadinkwe Msinyi to first tell us what motor vehicle insurance options exist here in Botswana.
I'll say three types of motor insurance in Botswana. There's one that we call comprehensive insurance. So comprehensive insurance literally covers everything to do with the car. It covers damage to your car. It covers damage that you may do to people's properties. It covers fire. It covers theft. Yes, and many other extensions. And then there's insurance, motor insurance that will only cover damage to third-party property. So that means that should you be involved in an accident and it is your fault, it will not fix your car, but it will fix the other car that you bumped into. So me with my Maufiti hitting a Range Rover, the Range Rover will be covered, but my car won't. Yeah. And then there's the one where it is just third-party fire and theft. So there's that option where you cover third-party property, and then you cover fire and theft. You know, cars can burn, cars can be stolen. Yeah, so that third one will cover third-party fire and theft. So in Botswana, damage against natural disasters is covered. Maybe you are parked under a tree and there's a storm and your tree is crushed and you are comprehensively insured, then your vehicle will be covered.
So what circumstances would warrant one to get motor insurance?
Anybody with a car who drives a car should get motor insurance. Really, yes, you may look at the value, but you may have a not very expensive car, but be involved in an accident with a very expensive vehicle, meaning that you'll be liable to pay damages for that vehicle. So it's important to get some type of insurance. So at the very least, get third-party insurance. It is also one of the cheapest that we have in the market. Even if you have to pay monthly, you just go to a broker and underwriter and find out more.
What legitimizes a claim, or what would warrant my claim?
Policies, I think, as we've come to learn throughout our talk, is that there are terms and conditions. So there are things that are clearly stipulated when you get your insurance or your policy that are not covered. For example, driving without a driver's license is not covered. Driving while drunk is not covered. And also things such as mechanical wear and tear, those things are not covered. So it's important to have an intimate knowledge of what your policy covers you for. You can do this at the time that you're purchasing your cover. You ask as many questions as you can. And when you are not sure, you ask the person who's selling the policy to you.
So if, say, my motor vehicle was purchased through bank financing, am I required to get my motor insurance from the same financier, or do I have the liberty, or should I be at liberty to look for insurance elsewhere?
Same principle applies. The Insurance Industry Act is very clear. So if you are not forced to purchase your insurance via your financier, most of the time it will be a bank. However, because they would have negotiated better rates, that's how people end up defaulting there, and that's why they always sell you the insurance. But you always have an option to purchase insurance elsewhere, as long as it meets the bank's or the financial's requirements.
This program was brought to you in association with First National Bank of Botswana.
FNB, how can we help you?